Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Taking apart a Hoselink retractable hose reel is a straightforward process if you have the right tools. These Australian-made reels are popular in American backyards for their durability and ease of use. First, make sure you disconnect the unit from your outdoor faucet and drain it. Carry the reel to a flat work surface like a sturdy table or your garage floor. You will need a standard Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of pliers. Start by removing the screws located around the outer edge of the plastic casing. There are usually about 10 screws holding the two halves together. Keep these screws in a small bowl so you do not lose them. Once the screws are out, gently pry the two sides of the case apart. You might need a flathead screwdriver to help pop the plastic tabs. Inside, you will see the large drum and the spring mechanism. Be very careful with the spring as it is under high tension. If you are replacing the internal hose, pull it out slightly to reach the connector. Use your pliers to loosen the hose clamp. Slide the old hose off the internal swivel joint. To remove the swivel itself, unscrew the locking nut on the side. Check all the O-rings for any signs of wear or damage. If you see cracks, replace them now to prevent future leaks. Clean out any dirt or debris from inside the housing. This ensures the reel spins smoothly when you put it back together. Reassemble the unit by reversing these steps and tightening every single screw firmly into the plastic casing.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.